Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. This is Ben from Ben Daily Tips. Today we are going to install VLC Media Player on any operating system. First thing you should do, go into your default browser. Mine is Edge. I'm going to open that and I'm going to google.com. Google search bar, type in download VLC. Click on first link. And here we are seeing this orange button, download VLC. I'm going to see this option, but usually I prefer going to home page of Videoland and going to select this below button and having other options: Windows 64-bit, macOS, Linux, and Android. You can see other systems here like Windows Store, Windows Phone, and other Linux versions. So for now, I'm going to go back homepage and select Windows 64-bit because my Windows is 64-bit. And here VLC is downloading. If your download is not started, click here, and here I'm going to click on downloaded file. Now select your language, click on next again, and here you can see the options. You can select or unselect them if you need. Click on next and select your destination folder and next. Now VLC Media Player is installing. Install finish. I'm going to click on finish and continue, and that's it. VLC Media Player is installed on your system, and thank you for watching this video.